Check 1 2, check 1 2. Sounds like I just woke up. Probably because I did. Let's get this video started, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. This is just a quick video today, not really a product review video or not even like how to hand wash your vehicle. It's more or less just a quick tip if you like to wash your vehicle but you're stuck with these cold winter temperatures, which I'm so ready for spring. But if you're stuck in these cold winter elements and you just can't hand wash where you're located, I just load up your vehicle with all your supplies. I would recommend doing it in like the evening or when it's not the busy time at the car wash. Sometimes you'll even see signs, no bucket washing when it's busy, or if there's a line of cars, I wouldn't even try it. I would just come back later in the evening. But I used to do this before high school every day. Before I went to school, I'd load up my car, go wash it. I had to look good pulling in my 6-cylinder Mustang with Cobra badges. Yeah, we won't get into that. And even when I started my detail business in the wintertime, mom and dad didn't want me washing vehicles in their driveway, so it just turned into a sheet of ice. I would take the customer's car to the car wash and do all the prep work, wheels, tires, wheel wells, engine bay, the whole exterior wash, take all my buckets with warm water. I'd make sure to put warm water in the buckets. That way your hands don't freeze. So it works good for personal use, whether you have a small detail business, or even if you have a big detail business and you run into one of them vehicles that's like super, super muddy and it's just too much mud for your driveway or too much mud for your drains, you can take it to the local car wash and clean off the mud there. The guys that work at the car wash probably don't like that too much, but I'm sure that's something that they're used to. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I might even run this on a live stream. That way I can answer any questions that you have live during this video. I'll see. I've never tried that, so we'll see how it goes. But if this is a live video, I'll be answering your questions as you guys are watching it. So hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you later.